Home services web design. How to create the perfect home services website. Did you know that 75% of the users judge a company's credibility based on its website's design? When it comes to home services, having a professional and well-structured website is essential for attracting new customers and building trust. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about a very important topic for home service businesses. How to create a perfect home services website. Whether you are a plumber, electrician or cleaning services provider, having a well-designed website is crucial for attracting more clients and growing your business. So let's get into it. So, why is having a website so important for home services businesses? The answer is simple. Customers today search online for services they need. They expect a business to have an online presence, and having a professional website increases your credibility. With a well-structured website, you can showcase your services, build trust with customers, get more inquiries and bookings. A strong website can really set you apart from your competitors. So let's see what makes a website perfect. Now let's talk about the key features every home services website must have. Simple, user-friendly design. The first thing to focus on is simplicity and the ease of navigation. You want visitors to easily find what they are looking for without any confusion. Keep the layout clean with simple menus and make sure your services are clearly listed on the home page itself. Services pages with clear descriptions. Create separate pages for each service you offer with a clear description of what you provide. Use simple language and make it easy to understand for the average customer. Contact information and booking option. Always ensure your contact details are easy to find on every page. Also, adding a book now button or contact form makes it convenient for customers to schedule appointments with you directly through your website. Mobile friendly design. Did you know most people search for home services on their mobile phones? That's why it's super important to have a mobile friendly website. Ensure that your website looks great and works smoothly on smartphones and tablets. Reviews and testimonials. Social proof is a big deal. Adding customer reviews and testimonials on your website builds trust with potential clients. It helps them see that you have done great work for others, which makes them more likely to hire you. Local SEO optimization. For home services, being found locally is critical. Optimize your website for local SEO by including your services area and local keywords. This will help you rank higher in local search results on Google and other search engines. Next, let's dive into some website design tips that can really help attract more clients. Strong call to actions. Your website should include strong CTAs like call us now or get a free quote. Make sure these buttons are visible and encourage visitors to take action immediately. High quality images and videos. Visuals make a difference. Add high quality images of your team, equipment and work. Even short videos explaining your services or showcasing a project can build trust and show your professionalism. Fast loading speed. Nobody likes a slow website. Make sure your website loads quickly by optimizing images and using a good hosting service. Fast websites keep users happy and also rank higher on Google. Show certificates and licenses. If your business is certified or licensed, show it off. Adding a section for accreditations, certifications, or insurance details shows professionalism and builds trust. Blog or resource section. A blog or resources section can help your website in two ways. It allows you to provide valuable information to your customers like tips on home maintenance. It helps with SEO because you can rank for various topics related to your services. Make sure the website is secure. Make sure your website has an SSL certificate to keep customer data safe. Visitors will see the padlock symbol in the address bar, which shows your website is secure. Now, what platforms should you use to build your home services website? There are plenty of options out there. For beginners, I would recommend WordPress. It's flexible, easy to use, and has tons of themes designed specifically for home service businesses. Another good option is Wix, which allows for easy drag and drop design without needing coding skills. You can also use Shopify if you want to sell products along with your services, or Squarespace for more design-oriented platform. Finally, once your website is up and running, don't forget to market it. Here are a few quick tips. Use Google My Business to appear in local searches. Share your website on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Consider using Google Ads to drive traffic to your website quickly. Ask happy customers to leave reviews on Google, which can help you rank higher and build credibility. When you work with Softrix, a professional website development company in Mohali, here's how the process typically works. Initial consultation. We start by understanding your business needs and goals. Planning. Next, we create a sitemap and wireframes to map out your website structure. Design and development. Our team of designers and developers work together to bring your vision to life. Testing. Before the website goes live, we run extensive tests to ensure everything functions perfectly. Launch and support. Finally, we launch your website and offer ongoing support to keep it updated and secure. Here is what one of our clients have to say about our services.
This is a video testimonial for Softrix Tech Solutions. I've been working with RJ from Softrix Tech Solutions for about a year now. He has helped me with setting up my website, doing the programming, coming up with some visuals, as well as helping with ensuring that all the integrations work. This include making sure that analytics, the ability to post, as well as host different types of content is all available on my website. Thank you.
So there you have it. We've covered everything you need to create the perfect home services website, from design tips to marketing strategies. Remember, your website is your digital storefront, so make it as inviting and user-friendly as possible. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your home services business. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video.